Okay, let's take a look at some troubleshooting and support options for Setup Factory 7.0. Okay, if you go to support.indigorose.com, you'll see there's a complete site here, and it's got a whole variety of resources that you can access here, including a knowledge base. You can also submit a support ticket here if you're having some kind of a problem, check the status of your ticket, access the user forums, patches and updates, and access the troubleshooter. So that's kind of handy, and you can go ahead and check that out anytime just by going to support.indigorose.com. I'm going to go ahead and close that down, and as you can see, we've got another couple options here at the main IndigoRose site. So you can go to indigorose.com and you can click on the user forum link here, and that'll take you to the user forum where you can go ahead and talk to other users of Setup Factory, including people from IndigoRose software. So you just click that user forum link right there. And additionally, you can access online help files here on the IndigoRose software website by clicking on Setup Factory here and then going ahead and choosing from the menu in the Setup Factory section the online help files. So those are a couple more options here at the IndigoRose website. Additionally, you've got an opportunity to contact IndigoRose here under the company heading. You can click on the Contact Us link, and that actually gives you the contact page for IndigoRose software. And you can go ahead and click here if you have a technical support inquiry. If you have a sales related inquiry, you can go ahead and fill out the form there. So that's fairly handy too. Now let's take a look at a couple more options. As you can see here, there's an online help file for Setup Factory, and that's the one we were just talking about. It's a full help file in HTML format with a full index and searchability. And then here in our application, our Setup Factory 7.0 application, we actually have access to the help file here under the help heading. Additionally, there's a user's guide and so forth. So those are a bunch of different options where you can get troubleshooting information and support information. And we encourage you to go ahead and come to the user forums even if you're not trying to troubleshoot your application. But if you had any problem at all with the installation process or with any of the processes related to the video lessons here on the CD-ROM, we encourage you to go ahead and exercise these options and see which ones work best for you. If you're in doubt about which one's going to work best for you, just come see us in the forum, in the Setup Factory forum, and tell us what's going on, and we'll be glad to talk to you and help you out. Okay, so those are your troubleshooting and support options. As you can see, they're pretty extensive, and you should be able to get up and running without any trouble whatsoever. But if you need to go ahead and take a look through some of those options, that's where they are. Okay, let's go ahead to the next video lesson.